Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your English grammar class. Today we will do revision of the sentence, kind of sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. A sentence is an ordered group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, the rose smells sweet. In this sentence, the first letter of the sentence is T, which is in capital letter, and full stop is at the end. A sentence can be divided into two parts, subject and predicate. The naming part in a sentence is called the subject and doing part of the called is called predicate. Let us see some examples. The dog is barking. In this sentence, the dog is naming part that is subject of the sentence and is barking is doing part that is predicate of the sentence. Similarly, in sentence, they are playing cricket, they is subject part of the sentence and are playing cricket is predicate part of a sentence. That bicycle is yours. That bicycle is subject and is yours is predicate. The girl is carrying a bag. The girl is subject of the sentence and is carrying a bag is predicate part of the sentence. There are four kinds of sentences. Assertive sentence. An assertive sentence expresses a statement to tell a fact and always ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence or question asked about something or someone and always ends with interrogation mark, that is question mark. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses an order or a request and always ends with a full stop. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feelings and always ends with exclamation mark. Assertive sentences make a simple statement or state of fact or an opinion. They always end with the full stop. These sentences are of two types. It means assertive or declarative sentences are of two types. Affirmative or positive sentences, negative sentences. Negative sentences have the word not or no in them. They express the refusal or denial and give negative meaning. Negative sentence in continuous tense can be found by using these rules. A. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus present participle, that is ing form of the verb for present continuous tense. Now for past continuous tense, the rule is subject plus was or were plus not plus present participle, that is ing form of verb. Negative sentences in simple tense can be formed by using these rules. For simple present tense, subject plus do or does plus not plus base form of the verb. For simple past tense, subject plus did not plus base form of the verb. Negative sentences which show position can form their negative sentences in the following ways: subject plus have, has or had plus no. An interrogative sentence or question asked about something or someone that always ends with an interrogation mark, that is question mark. The interrogative sentence in present simple tense is formed with do, does, subject plus base form of verb. For example, do they quarrel with one another? Does his elder brother live in Agra? The interrogative sentence in simple past tense is formed with did plus subject plus base form of verb. Example, did this horse run very fast? Did they stand first in the class? The interrogative sentence in present continuous tense is formed with am, is, or are plus subject plus present participle, that is ing form of verb. Examples are they writing a book? Is Kavita watching a TV? The interrogative sentence in past continuous tense is formed with was, were plus subject plus present participle, that is ing form of verb. Example, was the baby drinking milk? Were the soldiers fighting bravely? After revising the chapters, students solve this worksheet. Children, this is your first question for revision test. Separate the following sentences into their subject and predicate. In this question, you have to separate the sentences into two parts, that is subject part and predicate part. Now complete the following sentences by filling the subject part. Now do question number C. Read the following sentences and write their types. In this question, you have to write down the types of sentences. You know very well that there are four types of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Now write the types of sentences which are given in question. Now do question number D. In this question, you have to put correct punctuation mark at the end of the given sentences. Now in A number question, you have to arrange these all words to make correct sentences. Remember to use the capital letter and full stop for each sentence. Now in question number F, you have to change the sentences into negative sentences. This is your last question for revision test. Change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. Students, read and revise the chapters again. Complete the worksheet in your notebook.